All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the GT model. It's beautiful white with black leather interior, premium sound system, stereo controllers, backup camera, navigation system, heated front seat, heated back seat, super nice. Only 36,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage on the roundabout body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Your tire tread is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Tire tread is over 730 seconds. Double check. That's correct, over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Looks good. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. It does come with one key fob combo and one like valet key or something. And owner's manuals that are still wrapped up in its package. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, all that good stuff. Your Navi system right there. Got your backup camera. Power AC controls right down below. You got your heated seats, heated steering. Stereo controls on this side, as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 36,416. Looks good. Keep it moving. Open up some things. Boom. Should have fallen. Good. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear running ACs and rear AC controls. And the seats also have these rear seats are also heated. A little button there. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Does have some chippings here. Such a little crack on this rear bumper, about an inch. A chip, multiple chips and scratches on that little corner there. The rear trunk space and what that looks like, pretty nice, big and spacious. These seats do stow and go. Got a little power button there, which closes this. Very nice. And the lid looks good. Quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Just have some curbing. Yes, about 2-3 inches right there in that corner. Tire thread on the 730 seconds. Let me double check. Tire thread is just on the 730 seconds. This quarter here looks pretty good. I'm sorry, not this quarter. This sliding door. Here's your other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Close this door. This here looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Tire thread over 730 seconds. Lights are working. Head fog lights are working. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT model with 36,000 miles. Any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you. Happy bidding.